Good morning. We are in Bridgetown, Barbados, and we have just docked. And over my shoulder is the yacht Spectra. And Spectra was built in Italy in 2019 by Bellini Yachts, and the price is supposedly $80 million. And so that little boat off its aft, I would take as a tender all day long. So today, we're going to keep it simple. We're not doing any tours through the cruise line. We're just going to get off the ship and we're going to take a cab to the Mount Gay Rum Factory, and we're going to do that. And then we're basically walking right across the street to a place called Brandon's Beach. And on Google, it shows that they rent chairs and umbrellas. And we're going to hang out there until we get thirsty or whatever. And we'll see what happens. So this is our day in Bridgetown, Barbados. See ya. So we are in Bridgetown, Barbados. Heather's with me and we're standing on the dock, and it is pretty hot out here, isn't it, Heather?
It is hot.
Yep, and so we're going way down there. So it'll be a lot of walking and sweating today. So we're here at Brandon's Beach. We're right next to the harbor, and Mount Gay was closed this morning. So Mount Gay doesn't open until 11 or 11:30. So we're gonna hang out here for the morning, and Dave's saying hey. But this is where we are, and this is where we're gonna hang out this morning. So live from Barbados. We'll see you. So we've made it over to the Mount Gay Rum Factory. It was closed this morning, had some kind of meeting, and now it's close to 11:30 and we're about to ready to go on a tour. So we're hanging out with a bunch of other people. So we're finishing up our day in Barbados. It's been a great day. We've had a lot of fun. And we did it up really kind of on the cheap. We didn't schedule anything through the cruise line. We didn't do any tours or anything like that. We got the ship, what is that? The Vision of the Seas leaving behind us. They've already thrown their ropes off. I'm up on the upper deck, just kind of hanging out. I've got the boat I showed you guys this morning. Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Ah, there she is. The Spectre, $80 million, Benetti, built last year. Crew of 12, and it sleeps 14 guests. So up on the upper deck, got a movie going in the background, and just kind of hanging out, watching the Vision of the Seas take off, and we'll soon be behind it. And tomorrow will be another day. There goes the pilot. Where is he? Yep, there's the pilot taking the Vision of the Seas out, and I'll shoot some more from here, but that's it. Have a great day. We had so much fun in Barbados.